Hello everyone, welcome back to the tutorial River channel. In this tutorial I'll show you how to see your Reels OS history on Facebook. For that you have to open your Facebook apps. Okay, this is my Facebook account dashboard. Look at the right corner, tap on three line and tap on the setting icon. Scroll down and then tap on activity log and then tap on activity history. And look here your Reels OS history. Look at this is a Reels video like this, and this is a Reels video. Hope you are enjoy this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial River channel for next video.